Hello dear students, myself Vyas Bhumika. Today I will teach you Standard 6 English Unit 7 Fair Play Part 3. Before going to start Part 3, first we revise Part 1 and Part 2 again. In both the part we were watched. First of all, the Juman and Algu were best friends. Juman had an old aunt who had some properties. That properties she transferred on the name of Juman. But Juman and his wife does not treated the aunt very well. So the aunt went to the panchayat. After listening the case of both the parties, Algu gave the decision in the favor of aunt. Listen this. The bond of friendship between Juman and Algu was broken. In fact, Juman was Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. Now, let's see what happened in part 3. First of all, open your textbook page number 88. Take a pencil and read the sentences with me. Let's start part 3, paragraph number 9. Days passed and as ill luck would have it, Algu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot. Means when the days passed, his luck became bad. Algu Chaudhary found himself in a bad condition or difficult situation. Let's see next line. One of his fine pairs of bullocks died and he sold the other to Samju Sahu, a cart driver of the village. Means Algu had 2 bullocks. From that, one fine pair of bullocks died and he sold the other to Samju Sahu, who was a cart driver of the village. Let's see third line. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. Means both of them decide that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month. Let's see fourth line. It so happened that the bullock died within a month. Means something is happened with the bullock that the bullock died within a month. Let's see paragraph number 10. Several months after the bullock's death, Algu reminded Sahu of the money that he hadn't yet paid. Means after few months, the death of bullock, Algu reminded Sahu of the money that he hadn't paid to Algu. Sahu got very annoyed. Means Sahu became angry. I can't pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. Sahu told angrily he can't pay Algu a money for the very bad animal he sold him. He brought us nothing but ruin. Sahu told the bullock, brought us nothing but ruin. साहू ने बोला कि मैंने आपके पास से बुलॉक खरीदा, उसने मुझे कुछ नहीं दिया, उससे मेरा नुकसान हो गया. I have a bullock, used it for a month and then returned it to me. No money for the dead bullock, he said angrily. Sahu said angrily, I have a bullock. You used it for a month and then returned back to me. After that, you didn't ask me about money. क्यों? क्योंकि मैं आपको मेरा बुलॉक दे रहा हूं, तो आपने मुझे जो सामने बुलॉक दिया था उसकी मनी उसमें आ गई, मतलब आमने सामने हमारा हिसाब खत्म हो गया. लेट्स सी पैराग्राफ नंबर 11. Algu decided to refer the case to the panchayat. After listening Sahu, Algu decided to refer the case to the panchayat. For a second time in a few months, preparation for holding the panchayat were made, and both the parties started meeting people seeking their support. Means for a second time in a few months, the meeting was holding for the case, and both the parties started meeting. Algu and Sahu both tried to find the people's support. Let's see paragraph number 12 given on page number 89. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Means again the panchayat was held. Algu stood up and said, "The voice of the panch is the voice of God. Let Sahu nominate the head panch. I will abide by his decision." Means Algu stood up and said, "The sound of the panch is the sound of God. Let us Sahu nominate the head panch. I will accept his decision." Let's see paragraph number 13. Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Juman. Means Sahu watched his chance and proposed the name of Juman as a head of the panchayat. Algu's heart sank and he turned pale. Means Algu's heart ran very fast and he turned with a shock. But what could he do? But he didn't do anything. Let's see paragraph number 14. The moment Juman became head panch, he realized his responsibility as a judge and the dignity of his office. Means when Juman became the head panch, he realized his duty as a judge and he gave respect of his office. Could he seated in that high place have his revenge now? He thought and thought. Means Juman thought again and again, when I seated on that high place, can I took revenge with Algu now? No, he must not allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. Means Juman thought that my personal feelings did not come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. It's not just fair. Let's see paragraph number 15. Both Algu and Sahu stated their cases. Means both Algu and Sahu spoke about their cases. They were cross-examined and the case was considered deeply. Means both Algu and Sahu were cross-examined by the panch and the case was considered deeply. Then Juman stood up and announced, "It is our opinion that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock." After listening deeply the case, Juman stood up and announced that it is our opinion that Sahu should give the money of the bullock to the Algu. When Sahu bought the bullock, it suffered from no disability or disease. Means when Sahu bought the bullock from Algu, it did not suffer from any disability or disease. The death of the bullock was unfortunate, but Algu cannot be blamed for it. Means the death of the bullock was unfortunate, but Algu cannot be blamed for it. Algu could not contain his feelings. Means Algu could not control his feelings. He stood up and said loudly over and over again, "Victory to the Panchayat, this is justice, God lives," in the voice of the Panch. Means he stood up and said loudly again and again, "Victory to the Panchayat, this is the fair justice, God lives," in the voice of the Panch. Let's see paragraph number 16 and last paragraph of this unit. Soon after, Juman came to Algu, embraced him and said, "Since the last Panchayat, I had become your enemy." Means after few time, Juman came to meet Algu. He sympathized with him and said, "Since last Panchayat, I had become your enemy. Today I realize what it meant to be a Panch." Means today I realize what it meant of the Panch. A Panch has no friend, no enemy. He knows only justice. Means Panch has no any friend, no any enemy. He only knows justice. Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or. Algu embraced his friend and wept. Means Algu hugged his friend and wept his tears, and his tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. Means with the tear, all the dust of misunderstanding between them was washed away. I hope you all understood this part 3 very well. Thank you.